Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a really quick video to help you in creating a Flipgrid if you're having these sort of technical difficulties and finding the Flipgrid from our Teams page. So I'll start by just taking us to our Teams page. All right, once you get to our Teams page, this is what you find. If you need help getting here, I recommend watching the other video, but you can always let me know and I can help you. Once you get to the Teams page, there's two ways to access any assignment. You can go up here in the General channel to the Assignments tab, or you can go to the Assignments channel. Once you're in the Assignments channel, there's three different ways to access our Flipgrid. I'm going to go ahead and start by going to the actual assignment just so you can see what that looks like. But if you go either to the Flipgrid or to right here, all of those will take you to the same assignment. When you get to the Flipgrid assignment, this is what you'll see. You'll see the basic directions, and it does say here that you have to log in using your student email, but I kind of want to show you what that looks like in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Flipgrid, and it takes us to a page that looks like this. Here's what's really important. You have to click Join with Microsoft, and then you have to log in with your student email. Your student email is matric@s.tusd1.org. All right, once you get to the Flipgrid, you follow that link, it takes you to a page that probably looks like this, and you go ahead and click record a response. I made just a practice Flipgrid response, but yours will say your actual assignment name. So I click record a response. And once you do that, this is the screen it takes you to. I just want to kind of walk through this just so you can see what it is, maybe reduce any anxiety if you're feeling kind of nervous about posting a video. So you can go ahead and click down here, this little record button to start recording your video. Once you do that, it gives you a little countdown, and this is where you'd be actually doing your assignment, introducing yourself, etc. And then if you say something that you know, you're like, I don't want to post this video, you can pause. It gives you a couple of different options to say, yes, you're posting it now, but I just usually click redo. I know that's not a good one, I'm just gonna redo it. So there I say, yep, confirm, delete that clip, let's try again. Click record. Again, it'll give you a countdown so you know you're recording. Then maybe I post my video and I say, yes, I like it. So I'll go ahead and pause. And then you click the next button. And the next button, it lets you kind of watch the video, make sure, yes, I like that. That's a good video. I'm gonna say, yeah, I like it. Next, let's post it. The next thing it prompts you to do is to take a little quick thumbnail selfie just to help you like reduce anxiety. Those selfies are like tiny and nobody can click on them and make them bigger, so don't stress about it. I feel like the selfie is always terrible, and I think you guys probably will too, but just don't stress about it. It's not that big of a deal. I'll go ahead and take my selfie and then click next. It uploads your video and then it wants you to put in your display name. Because I'm gonna be grading this as an actual assignment, it's really important that you like actually use your name. Otherwise, I'm not gonna know who you are. So think of it like this, like writing a name on your paper. You don't have to put in anything else unless you want to, but maybe I wanna just say like, oh, this is my assignment, or like, hello, or something, I don't know. You click submit, and there you go. Your video is visible in the topic then. You can click complete and you can see the other responses that people have made. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you still have questions, you can why don't you go ahead and comment on this YouTube page, or you can comment on the post in Teams under assignments. Either of those are a really useful place to post any questions you have for assignments. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks guys, bye.